Hi, this is Carole, and I'm doing my live dowsing tip today, pre-recorded, having had a lot of trouble with the recorder, with the sound, and I just don't want to try this live because that adds one more element that may or may not work. So I'm pre-recording. Today's dowsing tip is number 15, and it's a sort of a behind the scenes look at what I do, the LifeWeaving dowsing. And today I'm going to be working on a short follow up on a client who had, we've treated her for headaches previously, and right now she's saying those are better, but she wants me to look at her eyes. And her comment was that she could see clearly in the future. So, or see the future clearly, actually. So here we go. And I'll talk as I go. I hope this records loud enough. We'll give it a try. So I'm going to take her and we're going to surround. Actually, first I'll ask should I connect? And I get a yes. So in preparation, we're going to surround her with a spinning column of white light, connecting the upper end to unlimited source, the lower to the healing temple at the center of the earth. And we'll invoke the mighty I Am Presence, her God presence, and bring in the violet flame of transmutation to completely overlight body and being, to align, clear, harmonize, and balance personal trinity, clear soul committee, guides, guardian angels, and to connect all to her divine plan. And I'm double checking that her ego, self, soul are aligned, trinity to the divine. How many spirits comprise the self? Only one. How many are on her soul committee? She has 11, which is great. Her spirit guides are all God sanctioned on committees, and lowest one vibrates at infinity. So those are all good. That she has okay. Percent she's aligned with her original perfect destiny blueprint is infinite. Original perfect health blueprint is infinite. I'm asking, are there any cords, attachments, entities, openings, or fragments? And we're getting no on those. Okay, so does spirit have something to bring up? No. Okay. So that is the spiritual tune-up portion, and she's doing okay. Going to put her on neutral line and add in headaches, contributing to headaches, perception of headaches, or what we're calling headaches. These are all neutral. Is that true for her ego, self, soul assigned? Yes, it is. And clear to infinity. So next we're going to put her eyes on the neutral line, and there we go. We've got about 180 degrees off balance. So headaches, okay. Eyes, 180 off balance. So we're going to put those in her holding basket, add in the Trinity on the tribal level. Also to bring in wounded healer, hedonist, and hermit archetypes, as well as the prostitute archetype, the saboteur, the thief, the victim, the wounded healer, the hedonist, and the hermit again. And Spirit also wants to bring in hero, heroine. And that's it. So we're bundle spiraling those together and down mind, body, spirit, on all levels, layers, frequencies, realities, incarnations, dimensions, all time. And then putting her back on the neutral line, adding in the eyes, and they're now neutral. Contributing to the eyes is neutral. Perception about the eyes is neutral. And what we're calling the eyes is also neutral. Is this true for her ego, self, soul? Assigned, yes, and it is clear to infinity. So some of the archetypes came up, I'm sure, because this person is working in a job, does not like the job, is counting the days before she can quit. And so feeling like a prostitute, she's selling her soul for something she doesn't like. The next point, I'm going to look at Lisa Bourbeau's book and see what it has concerning the eyes. And to test these, all I'm doing is kind of running my finger down the book. Pendulum is letting me know if there's anything positive. All eye disorders, preference for closing eyes to what's happening around you, way of protecting the self, keeping an eye on things, no problems there. Examining feelings, when you say it, no problem. Eye disorders, stopping you from seeing at close range, no. Farsightedness, no. Seeing at a distance, nope. Myopia, nope. Left eye, nope. Right eye, nope. So now I'm checking mental blocks and understanding nothing will change in your life, even if you refuse to see the truth. No problem. No problem. Mirrors of the soul, all sorts of things. And there are no blocks in this book. So, I'm going to ask one more time about clear eyes, contributing to clear eyes, perception about clear eyes. So we do have clear perception about clear eyes. So we'll put that in her basket, add in the soul this time on the familial and tribal levels of consciousness, also bringing in white light and the hero archetype. And we'll bundle those together, sending them down all parts, mind, body, and spirit, along with blocks, memories, intent, and healing. So we're asking again, putting her on neutral, adding in the clear eyes, contributing to, instead, perception, or what we're calling, stays neutral. Is this true ego, self, soul, assigned, yes, and clear to infinity? So the next question is that she asked about was seeing her future better. So we'll put her on neutral and eyes that see her future better. Contributing to that, something instead, or what we're calling, and they're all neutral. Is this true ego, self, soul, assigned? Yes, it is, and it is clear to infinity. So I'm asking Spirit, concerning the eyes or sight, is there anything buried, stuff saved, issues or challenges, programs planned that haven't come out yet? No. And so at this time, we're going to flood her with unconditional love to fill in where any of the energies were removed, especially those archetypes. And thank guides, guardian angels for their assistance. And that is the session. Hope you enjoyed it.